Hi Jasmine, this is Richard at Tameron Honda. First and foremost, I want to thank you for your online inquiry on our Honda Civic Coupe in that Rally Red. Got that vehicle right here, right behind me. I can't wait to show you how amazing this car is. Please call me at 205-541-2862 so I can have the car pulled up, gassed up, ready for you to take it for a spin. Make sure you love everything about it. Make this the best car buying experience possible. Again, my name is Richard. My number is 205-541-2862. When you come to Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you treat me.